Meet Raul, a hardworking individual from India, contributing to the vibrant construction scene in the UAE. Every month, Raul sends 80% of his hard-earned salary, 5,000 AED, to his family in India through his favorite exchange house. How can the exchange house reward Raul and thousands of loyal customers just like him? Offer your customers our comprehensive and personalized rewards solution that keeps them engaged and coming back for more. Raul is now excited to learn that every money remittance, currency exchange, or bill payment earns him a bonus of 5%. Managing these bonus accrual mechanics is easy. Use the dedicated section of our admin panel to configure a percentage of the total amount, a fixed sum, or a mix. Once set up, this mechanic can be applied globally to all purchases or selectively to specific customer segments or products. Thanks to his regular transactions, Raul has now accumulated an impressive 4,800 points. With a recent 5,000 AED remittance, Raul earns an additional 250 bonus points, pushing his balance to 5,050 points. Surpassing 5,000 points, Raul's status can now be upgraded from basic to silver. In addition to the basic bonus accrual logic, you can also configure customer tiers in the admin panel. Customer tiers, like basic, silver, gold, can be based on the volume of purchases made. Offer your customers different percentage bonuses for different tiers. The following month, Raul made the same 5,000 AED remittance, but this time, he enjoyed not only the base 5% bonus, but an extra 3% due to his silver status, totaling 400 points. His balance grew to 5,450 points, reflecting the added benefits of his elevated status. But that's not all. Raul received a special coupon offering 300 additional points for bill payments, exceeding 1,000 AED, within the next 7 days. Encourage your customers to not just send remittances, but also pay for utility services with coupons. In the admin panel, you can offer a specific segment of customers a coupon for additional points for the next 7 days. Raul decides to use the coupon to pay his family's utility bills in India, earning him those additional 380 points. With his large points balance, Raul is excited to redeem them against an impressive collection of offers on the app and can't wait to collect more rewards again. Win your customers, enhance loyalty, choose Wallet Factory's digital rewards today.